everyone, I am Manjula with you. Tirupati Brahmotsava begins. The annual Brahmotsava ceremony at the Tirupati Ezhumalayan temple began today with the flag hoisting. The whole of Tirumala in turn is decorated with colored electric lights. Poses are set in various streets. The entire temple is decorated with multicolored flowers brought from outside the stage. The golden altar and the flagpole are adorned with special flowers that attract the attention of the devotees. The Commander-in-Chief's celebration and inauguration took place from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. yesterday in connection with the prom. Kangana Pattar and the chief priest came to take their cancerous soil and performed special pujas. Tirumalai Tirupati Devasthanam Board of Trustees Chairman Y.V. Subba Reddy inaugurated the rehabilitated walkway from Alibri to Tirumalai. The possibility of a war with China, Trump warns. Biden, a Democrat, won the US presidential election. Former President Trump has accused the election of being rigged. However, Biden was formally elected president by a landslide. In this case, the message from Trump is that elections have been rigged and that a government with weak and corrupt leadership is taking place in the United States. Trump goes on to say that China has not valued the United States for a long time. Near Taiwan, the Chinese Air Force conducted numerous combat exercises. Thus, the tension in that area has increased. To alleviate this, talks will take place in Switzerland between US and Chinese officials. In this context, former President Trump has warned that the United States could go to war with China. Kulasegarapattinam Dasara Festival. Devotees are allowed to worship today. Devotees are allowed to worship at the world-famous Kulasegarapattinam Muttaramman temple during the Dasara festival today. The annual Dasara festival is celebrated at the Muttaramman temple in Kulasegarapattinam, Thoothukudi district. Millions of devotees here worship the goddess in various guises. This year's festival started yesterday without devotees with the flag hoisting. The walk opened in the early morning and the special pujas were held. Then the decorated elephant came forward and crawled around the Kodipattam temple precinct. The flag was then hoisted on the temple flagpole. The Dasara festival will be held for 10 days. Special pujas are conducted every day. The main event, Surasamharam, is scheduled to take place on the 15th. Devotees are prohibited from participating in this ceremony. Devotees in disguise are not allowed to perform darshan in the temple. It has been announced that devotees can perform Swami darshan at the temple only today and from 11 to 14th. Security has been put in place around the temple. Lakhimpur violence. State government orders setting up of one-man inquiry commission. Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government has ordered the setting up of a one-man commission of inquiry into the Lakhimpur violence that left 9 people dead, including 4 farmers. Uttar Pradesh Chief Secretary Avanish Kumar Avasthi has said that the commission will be headed by retired ICC Judge Pradeep Kumar Srivatsava and will submit an inquiry report to the government within 2 months. The case is being heard today by a bench headed of Chief Justice of the Supreme Court N.V. Ramana. The session will feature judges Surya Kant and Hima Goli. Nobel Prize in Chemistry for German and American scientists. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry was announced in Stockholm, Sweden. This was announced by Göran Hansson, Secretary General of the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. Accordingly, the Nobel Prize has been awarded to German scientist Benjamin List and American scientist David Macmillan for the discovery of a new method for creating molecules known as asymmetric organocatalysis. The award carries a gold medal and a cash prize of Rs 8 crore. Rameswaram fisherman chased near Kachativu. The Sri Lankan Navy has chased away the Rameswaram fishermen who were fishing near Kachativu. Fishermen fishing on keyboards have been stoned to death for allegedly fishing across the border. Fishermen have claimed that up to rupees 1 lakh was lost due to cutting and damaging nets on more than 20 trawlers. Plan to set up a mega textile and clothing park. The Union Cabinet has approved the setting up of 7 mega textile and apparel parks across the country. The BM Mitra project to set up mega textile and apparel parks across the country was announced in the Union Financial Statement for the year. 10 states, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Assam, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana have shown interest in setting up mega textile parks. In this context, the Union Cabinet has approved a mega textile park project with rupees 4445 crore. The government has said it will directly employ 7 lakh people and indirectly 14 lakh people. Happy Dasara festival for all. Have a successful day. See you again. Thank you.